We all remember Vine, the beloved app that took the social media world by storm and birthed some of YouTube's biggest stars. But as we all know, Vine came and went, and left with us but a distant memory of ye olde memes of yesteryear. But fret not, ladies and gentlemen, there's a new Vine coming to town. But first, a quick history lesson. In October 2016, Vine issued a statement on Medium letting the world know that it would shutter the service. And then it happened. On January 17th, 2017, Vine completely disappeared from the internet. And I think we were all really upset about it. At least I know I was. But then, a ray of light. Seemingly out of nowhere, one of Vine's original creators, Dom Hoffman, tweeted that he was working on a follow-up to Vine. That was November 30th, 2017. And then a week later, he tweeted this, V2, with a picture of what logically would look like a follow-up logo to Vine, with a similar green and a sort of cartoonish version of the Vine font. The internet was psyched, and that tweet went super viral. Things were looking up. A few weeks later, TechCrunch published a huge report detailing Dom's plans with information about the app itself. As far as we knew, it was happening. It wasn't a matter of if, but when. And then as quickly as the idea of V2 came into the existence, it was taken away from us. Just a few short weeks later, in 2018, Dom issued a statement on the V2 forums saying the project was postponed indefinitely, citing financial and legal hurdles. That was it. Our dreams were crushed. And then, like the sun poking through a blanket of rain clouds, almost exactly 6 months after Dom announced V2 wasn't coming, he tweeted this: "Our new looping video app is called Byte, launching spring 2019. For some reason, the tweet didn't go nearly as viral as the original did. Probably because of the roller coaster of emotions we went through to get here. But this time, I think it's actually gonna happen, for real. In just the last few days, Dom has been tweeting ideas and screenshots of a prototype version of Byte. We know that Byte is the successor to V2, which was the successor to Vine. The app will focus on community. The feed will showcase short looping videos in a reverse chronological scrolling orientation. Dom says Byte will support square videos as well as vertical videos. We know that users will have a profile with an avatar, a URL, other social handles, but no numbers. And then a page 2, I'm not sure what that means, will have more profile details. What about creation though? Will we be able to upload from our camera roll or just use Byte to create bytes? I asked Dom this question on Twitter and he responded by saying that we'll be able to upload videos that were made outside of the platform. I was kind of surprised by his answer because I thought that's what made Vine special, the constraints to create within the app. Interestingly, Dom deleted his response, so we'll have to see what functionality is available at launch. I followed up by asking what will make Byte special or stand out in a world where TikTok and Instagram and IGTV exist. And he responded again by saying that 6-second looping videos feel way different than 15 or 30, emphasizing that with 6 seconds, the length is part of the video itself. So it seems like Bytes will be limited to 6 or 6.5 seconds, which is dope. We've got these screenshots of Byte. I'm digging the modern, simple design aesthetic. I think it's playful, and I cannot wait to use it. Byte is supposed to launch this spring, 2019. There are a few ways to stay up to date with announcements. I suggest following Dom and Byte on Twitter, and if you want to get involved with the community, the forums are poppin'. Links to those 2 Twitter accounts and the Byte forums are in the description. If you couldn't tell, I am very excited about Byte. I will certainly get on Byte day 1 whenever it hits the App Store, and I will begin posting immediately. And Dom, if you're watching this, I'd love to beta test Byte. I have quite a few devices that I can bounty hunt on. Let me know. I'm serious. That's it from me. Smash like if you learned something, subscribe to my channel if you're new around here, and stay tuned for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next one. All right, that's a wrap, boys. That was it.